Hey, it's Kelly. This is my first video with the new intro, so I hope you liked it. I'm going to show you how I made this layout with the January Cocoa Daisy kit. And this paper by Crate Paper is from their Valentine's Day line, and I think it is so cute with those little fruit squeezes. It's called Main Squeeze, and it made me think of my almost 2-year-old because he loves giving tight squeezes. And he just wraps his arms around you and squeezes really tight. So I have this picture of him giving me one, and I printed it through Parabo Press, so it's a nice stationery paper square. And I cut this turquoise tab just out of some paper from the kit, and so I'll add that. And then I don't like this pumpkin because it kind of throws off the colors, so I'm going to cover up the pumpkin with this cute heart. And I'm just going to keep on embellishing. So for this little banner across the top, I just cut those out, just freehanded them, and it's a great way to add colors and just kind of tie everything in together. I really love all the papers in the kit. It's a super fun kit. Okay, now I'm going to add the title, and it's going to be Tight Squeeze. And before I stick it on the page, I learned to put it on a little clear wrapper baggie first, and it's just from something that came in the kit. We all have those little sacks lying around, and I learned that tip from Andrea Gray, Retro Hit Mama, and it is the best tip. So you don't already stick them down and have to rearrange them. You can make sure you have all the letters, you can get the placement right, and then stick them on. So I love that tip. I can't get enough of these little fruits, so I fussy cut out some in case I wanted to use them on the layout. And so I'm going to just do one that represents me and one that's my little boy. And I thought the strawberry was cute because he's got the strawberry blonde hair. And I'm just going to smoosh them together like they're tight squeezing and just put it on the white space to just emphasize even more about what's going on. And I finally decided where to stick this one. I'm just going to put it right above the heart. I wanted to make sure that's where I wanted it, and I think that'll be great. So I'm going to glue that down. And I also had cut out another little fruit. It looks like a little melon. It's mint colored. And I realized I've covered up most of that color in the background. So I'm just going to stick it right here to just bring that color back out. We'll just pretend like it's part of the background. These are the stamps that came in the kit, and they are so fun. I love all the arrows and the hearts, and they'll just be great for Valentine's Day and other things too. So I am just going to put me plus you on. I'm going to put it right on the picture. That's what I love about these stationery pictures is you can journal on them, you can stamp on them, and they're just like regular paper. And I'm just going to add 2 sizes of hearts to that white space up at the top. I finished stamping, and then I decided to run it through the sewing machine and add some stitching. I knew the banner across the top would look really cute with some stitches, so I did that, and then just a few of the embellishments I decided to run those through the sewing machine as well. I decided to add just a little bit of journaling. So using my stamp block, I drew some lines. That's my favorite tool, to draw those lines. And then I just wrote a few things about what the tight squeeze is in case we ever forget what's going on in this picture, and just how much he loves to give these little squeezes. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. This was a super fun layout to make. Have a great day.